4 lanes, 2 lanes in both north and southbound directions of the Northern Luzon Expressway in Balintawak, Caloocan are to remain shut down. The traffic to give way to the construction and completion of the northern access link of the freeway. While a number of motorists expressed patience and understanding, even more bewailed and decried the prolonged hassle and inconvenience. Our Isaiah Mirafuentes has the breakdown of scheduled closure days and times in this report.
The closure part of NLEX Balintawak will last for 1 week. This is for the construction of the Northern Access Link Expressway. 2 lanes will be closed every night in both southbound and northbound directions.
Starting tonight po, starting at 8 p.m. up to 4 a.m. Meron po tayong kailangan i-close yung dalawang innermost lanes ng NLEX. Both directions na po going north and south. Dito sa area between yung entry from EDSA to at saka yung Balintawak to Plaza.
Starting tonight until Thursday, the closure will be from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. On Friday, the closure will begin at 10 p.m. up to 4 a.m. The longest closure will be on Saturday from 9 p.m. till 2 in the afternoon the next day. And on Sunday, the closure will be from 8 p.m. until 4 a.m.
We also have yung coordination with the San Miguel Corporation na kung talagang sobrang sige po yung daloy ng traffic natin doon, then parang pwedeng temporarily i-open to ease yung traffic.
Meanwhile, commuters and motorists share their insights on the closures.
Masyadong pahirap sa amin yan. Kagaya namin, araw-araw kami lumuluwas pa Manila. Masyadong pahirap, dapat bigyan kami ng magandang alternate na daan.
So for improvement naman po, siguro po pansamantala po, pero mas okay naman po kasi po para po naman po sa mas mapabilis pa rin po yung traffic po.
Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for the New and Better Philippines.